We are in a very glamorous Shell garage, just picking up some breakfast. We are going to go and practice on the berg again. We need the practice because there's absolutely no water in the berg whatsoever. Everybody's panicking and trying to work out which sections are going to be the most difficult and which are going to be blocked up by trees and stuff. So we're going to go and get a heads up on the whole thing and see it for ourselves. Morning, Nix.
Good morning.
How's it going?
After this coffee, it'll be good.
Ivan, what are you saying about the river?
The river is empty. Like, we're going to be scraping boats today.
So empty is not good, is it?
Not at all.
Okay.
Your little carbon boat might pick up some damage today.
Damn it.
Should have downloaded voice one on the GPS.
Oh, that's the one. Nicole, why did you stall?
Because a stupid car.
Nicole's not used to these rally cars.
I am. So we will call it Schumacher.
Onto the Deutsch. My hat came off, baby. My hat came off! No! It's got my hair.
And then fell over and just sucked me under the bridge with my paddle with everything. I got caught under and I was there for like, it was a camera, like you could see it went, the camera followed me under the bridge and then like the water was rushing out and I didn't come out, back, forward, wheezy. I was under for about 30 seconds. So, and then,
Did you think you were going to die?
I did, yeah.
This bridge here is normally under the water, and this bridge up here, apparently you can normally touch with your paddle
If it's very
full.
yeah.
So we're talking super low rivers right now.
It's a plane! Oh, shit. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Check it out, check it out. Ew. Hey, that'll be an interesting one on race day. Yeah, but where's the water level going to be? I said, where's the water level going to be on race day?
It might drop a little bit, but pretty much the same.
My boat is so scratched.
Sorry.
Made me feel a bit sick. All of this today. So, 2 hours later, we have done quite a chilled paddle, and we were just really scoping out the river really, just to see how different it is when it's low, and it's very different. My poor boat got scratched so much. I'm not used to boats being scratched willy-nilly, these guys are, and it made me feel sick each time I went over a rock. Ugh. So, but my boat survived really well. This thing is tough as nails. Love it. Graham, how'd you get on today, mate?
You know, now that you ask, you know, the water's dropping by the day. I'm getting really excited now. So yeah, bring on the mighty berg in a few days' time, and we'll have a mighty trickle.
How long have we got?
We've got 3 more sleeps, still the time trial.
Nice.
3 more sleeps.
Nice. Ivan, are you excited?
A little bit.
What's the verdict? Is it?
Guys, we can make love to the end to let us know.
Oh, that's nice.
Definitely through.
Oh, bollocks. We have stopped at a little farm shop on the way. Nicole's about to get herself a lawsuit in health and safety, playing on the swing. If this was the UK, that thing would be shut down for health and safety.
It's definitely gonna break.
What have you gone for, Ivan?
Beef curry pie.
Nice.
Good for recovery.
Oh yeah. I've gone for the Hawenda pasty, which is actually pronounced Hunda, which means chicken.
I think Ivan's the expert.
How's Hawenda pronounced?
Una.
Okay. I'm not so good with the pronunciations. Okay, we picked up a new member of the road trip gang. Squishy. Squidgy. Squidgy the mini cactus. So cute. Hey Squishy, how's it going? We're gonna find a way to, well, what are you laughing at?
Okay, good.
Okay, go. We are heading to Matthew Curry's house in Constantia to have a bride. The whole gang's gonna be there. I'm not gonna put that
No,
there.
you shouldn't put that up.
Okay.
Can I turn it off?
Ben Brown. Pretty tight security here in Crystal Gardens. Okay, Matt's giving me a little tour of the house, and we're just coming to the TV room. This is the TV room. What constitutes a nice bum?
I was saying, it needs to be, imagine like a circle. All it needs to be is like up and round. Up and round. And it's gone by my question.
Are we talking about guys' bums?
No. But that sounds good. No, be feminine. Yeah. I enjoy it.
Shoot me with some, squirt me there next.
This one's not skew, they often go
Okay,
skew.
that's enough.
Sorry, I like it saucy.
Yeah, you do.
I don't really see
Yeah.
Worker. Myself and Matt, we've broken into Matt's house. Actually, he just let us in.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go and find the fridge that everybody talks about. Yeah, I know, this is crazy. This is the server room. Look, it's like NASA. You could run a space program from in there. Anyway, this is it. This is it. Okay, look at this. Look at this big steel door. Oh, shut the front door.
Shut the front door.
Look at this. It's a walk-in fridge. You could lock someone in here if you wanted to keep them like cold, like a dead body or something. No, but seriously. Is that not the best fridge you've ever seen?
Oh my gosh, insane.
Yeah. Think how much beer you could store in there. And other healthy products.
No, yeah, obviously.
Okay dudes, it's time for me to go to bed. It's been quite a crazy evening with the Matt Curry and all the gang. They have gone out on the Razzle Dazzle, out on the town, and we have come home for a relatively early night because ain't no partying to be done until after the berg for me. Yeah, I had a good paddle on the berg again today. It was only a short one and quite chilled out. It wasn't so much a training session as it was just checking out what the river's going to be like in low conditions. And I put a hole in my boat, so I'm going to have to get that fixed. Yeah, and shame man, I can't film stuff on my boat anymore because I don't have a GoPro right now, so I'm going to have to go out and spend a load of money on a GoPro. And I just feel like I'm not vlogging properly if I'm not getting those shots. So until next time, be nice to people, work hard, and don't get lost or killed. Okay, bye.